As tough as it was to leave Beckway, the Tobago Keys were calling. The wind had finally abated and the conditions looked ideal to visit. We headed 30 miles south along the chain of Windward Islands to the beautiful island of Meru. What fish are you chasing? You'd like a tuna? Before we left Beckway, the girls got some help from the local tackle shop on how to set up trolling rigs.
Alright, you have to squash this thing through the squid's ass. Oh, it's actually the head.
Through the ass into the head.
Through the head. Where are we going anyway?
No, the boat's sailing itself. It's just sailing on a beam reach. We were immediately rewarded with 2 big-eye tuna and a very nice tasting barracuda. I can't tell you how transformative catching these 3 fish was for us. I had expected the Caribbean to be completely fished out after all the years of tourism. While fish sizes and numbers are undoubtedly down on, say, 50 years ago, to catch a haul like this in an afternoon filled me with hope that living off the sea might still be a reality here. It was more fish than we could eat, so we traded a tuna for a bunch of coconuts with a local boat boy. That evening we went ashore to check out the nightlife at Saltwhistle Bay. A handful of beach bars and restaurants lined the waterfront, but as we got close to the shore we heard loud music coming from the trees. It led us to the Tamarind Tree Bar, a new bar set up by Larston and his wife V with help from Shantai. Videos me when I dance. By strange coincidence, Larston lives aboard this Tangaroa, built almost 40 years earlier and sailed across the Atlantic. The following morning we prepared to head to Tobago Keys. I'd read that watching someone exercise can help you lose calories. True story. It's only a short hop from Saltwhistle to the Keys. protection of the area began 30 years ago, culminating in the declaration of the marine park. In 2004, a bid to have the marine park commercialised for profit by a foreign company and, unbelievably, the government, was blocked thanks to the efforts of a highly motivated group of locals. It surely must be one of the world's most stunning marine parks and one of the best for snorkeling. But as luck would have it, the underwater camera would not turn on.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
What are you up to today?
We've just finished breakfast. We had a snorkel before breakfast. We swam with a couple of turtles and other fish of various descriptions. Enjoyed the nice visibility here. It's quite deep. We're anchored in about 5 meters. It was windy when we came in here yesterday. We thought we'd stay the night and see what today brings, and it's really dropped off, so it looks nice now to take the dinghy over to the reef and explore some of the corals and colourful fish, we hope.
It's really green, blue, I mean.
The colours are magnificent.
What's our neighbour doing?
Well, no, he's nearly gone already. He's up over at his anchor.
Our neighbour family about leaving. There is new boat coming.
Lagoon 380 with their washing hanging out. Looking at cruises. I don't think that's charter, that's cruising, that one. So they can stay as long as they like. They're not on an itinerary.
Anchor.
So there she is, the beautiful schooner Scaramouche, anchoring in Tobago Keys, with the island where she was born in the background, Union Island. A genuine Windward Islands schooner, a bit of living history right there, it's beautiful.
Are you ready to go?
We're ready to hit the Tobago Keys, snorkeling supremo, we hope.
Okay, get the bag.
Come on, grab the bag. Now we just need to grab you.
Yeah.
Jump in.
I'm gonna come in.
Outside.
Alright. Let's go.
Okay. After a fantastic snorkel, which sadly we can't share with you via video, we visited Barradell Island for a look around. We were surprised to find these iguana sunning themselves on the dry leaf litter. These magnificent reptiles are on the endangered list. These guys are leaf eaters and have not made the evolutionary jump to live partially off the sea as their cousins in the Galapagos. Their colouring mimicked the surroundings perfectly. If they didn't move, they would be very hard to spot.
What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah, it's very stiff. You can't come down. Go to the other way. So, what's your impression about Tobago Cave?
I'd like to stay here longer or come back again. Lovely preserved place. Always had a hard time, maybe from the storm. Further out there's good rock. What do you think, Toya? Inuit.
Punch. Lucky fish punch.
Lucky fish punch.